Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another quick tutorial video. In this channel, we provide you with every possible solution to a specific problem. Whether it's a quick fix or a detailed tutorial, we are here to help you. So in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how you could easily fix out if you are not getting the notes option on Instagram. So what particularly notes option is that? Simply head towards your Instagram, head towards the DM button at the top right corner of the screen. Now here at the top you will see that there is a particular note option. This is the note option. Now if you don't have it, simply go back, check whether you are using the updated version of Instagram or not. For that, head towards Play Store, tap on the search bar at the top and search for Instagram. From here you have to make sure that you are using the updated version of the app, because updating the app usually fix all the bugs and glitches inside the app. So once you are done, your issue would be resolved. But if you are still encountering the issue, go back, head towards your phone settings. From the settings, scroll down a little bit and there you will get the option of apps. In the apps, head towards Instagram. Now once you are on the Instagram information page, what you have to do is to simply head towards storage and cache, clear out the storage and cache for Instagram.